Right, hello you guys. So what I want to try and demonstrate for you, hopefully you can see my pieces here, is why the Pythagorean theorem works the way that it does. So I've got different tiles here that I'm going to use to kind of help us out. The main thing to remember is the Pythagorean theorem only works with right triangles. So you have to have a right angle. And so what I want to show you is that you're not always going to be able to create that right angle. So you can see I've got a red, blue, and yellow triangle here. Definitely a triangle. But no matter how I like twist these pieces and turn them, I can't get a right angle to form. And so I would not be able to use the Pythagorean theorem with these pieces because even though like down here it kind of looks like one, you can tell it's not like a perfect corner or perfect square, and I'm unable to create a right triangle. So not all side lengths are going to work, and that's something we'll be exploring in the next couple of days, is that you have to have very specific measurements in order for the Pythagorean theorem to work. Sometimes you might also get measurements that make it literally impossible to create a triangle. So if you look at my red, orange, and green pieces here, no matter how I like twist these or flatten them out or turn them in any way, I can't quite connect my pieces to create a triangle at all. So some side lengths literally won't make a triangle at all. Some side lengths will make a triangle, but not necessarily a right triangle. And then other side lengths, like my purple, yellow, and blue right here, these three do fit together to perfectly create that right angle. So the Pythagorean theorem would work with these three sides. The other thing that these tiles show you is if I take each of these pieces apart, actually before I take them apart, I just want to remind you that my hypotenuse is the blue piece, so that really long one right there. Your hypotenuse is always opposite of your right angle. So if our right angle is down here in the corner, if we go opposite that, we've got this blue piece right here. And if I take these apart, you guys can see that my blue one is most definitely the longest one. So whichever of your three side lengths is the biggest number, that is your hypotenuse because it is the longest side.